For this use case, a contract object is created as some attributes are defined. These could be the attributes that, as a best practice, need to be included to request contract data for all stocks: symbol, security type, exchange, currency, and primary exchange. If unsure about the contract you are creating being completed, you can request the contract details by calling the reqContractDetails method with the contract that you have actually created. Doing that will allow you to confirm any ambiguous contract. Many contracts could match if the exchange is not specified, and if it is specified, like in the actual example, just one contract is matches and shown and the data is returned to the contractDetails EWrapper method, as you can see in the terminal printed. If you need to qualify more contracts, you can do so in a loop. Data returned could also be used to create a file in which the contracts that will be used in the future are set to be the same and with all the necessary attributes. reqContractDetails serves the purpose of initial testing and contract definition. However, this doesn't guarantee that contracts could not change or that stocks could be delisted in the future. This is it for the tutorial about requesting contract data in Python. All the code is available in the Darwinex GitHub dedicated repository.